Hi there, Musar Shah here. This video is about the third session's DIY skills assignment, part of international training, teacher training program on Python with Pictoblox, powered by STEMpedia. So, as you will aware, it is coding area. This is the screen where the result will be shown after the execution of this code. So let's start executing this code by pressing this run button. Right now, as you see that this it is the first line, second line. This is a simple. It is a result of this simple print statement. This program codes your codes take subjects marks and then find out total marks, percentage, and grade. Right. So after okay, now from here we will go here because here is the main program starts. For the time being, I will just say about these that these are the functions which were made by, in this case, myself. In your case, you can make the functions according to your needs. In this session, the function usability is shown along with the arrays. In Python, arrays is used is called named as lists. Both are same things, only name is different. So here three functions were made. One, this name input marks, calculate percentage, and grade. Right. So in the start we made a array, string array, which consists of subjects names, then a variable with a value yes. Now here the main program starts. First it will check the condition. As we assigned the yes value to the variable, so here this condition is true, and then it will execute the program. Now this second line is from is the result of this print statement. Right. Now here the first function is called, which is this input marks. Right. So it returned the subject list, which is here declared here. Right. Now it is the marks. Now in this function, marks array or list is created. Now the for as it is obvious that this list or array is the subject's name, in this marks array or list, the marks of every subject will be stored. Now the for loop starts after, and it takes subjects, which is the list, and this is the variable. Subjects is a list and subject is a variable. Now it's takes the member element of the list one by one and allocate or save marks against each subject in the marks list. So this is the code. Now it here. Now this statement, this print, this line is the result of this statement, which is the input method. Now this input method enables us to take the value. Now here see, enter the marks. Now the subject name is here is taken from this subject list, which is here. Now we will enter, for example, 55 and enter. Now the loop starts, right? And this line of code stores the I entered 55. It's goes in went to the score variable, stored in the score variable. Now this score is then stored in the marks list, right? And before this, it would look the condition. The marks or the entry must be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 100, right? Then again it repeats this for all the subjects, for the all elements of the subjects, and it stores the marks against each. Now in the terminal section, you see I am entering, for example, 70 for the another subject, 80 for the another subjects, 67 for the another subjects, 89 for the another subjects. Now the subjects is completed. After subjects is completed, it returns to, now the functionality of this function is complete. Now after this function is called, which is calculation. Now the total marks, oh sorry, okay, right, it is stored in the marks array, right? Now the another function is called, which is percentage. It is obvious simple mathematical function. It calculates the percentage. Its job is over. Then this function is called grade, get grade. Simple if else statement, conditional statements. It will check the percentage and return the respective grade to this function. After completing all these three functions, now this print statements will be executed, which is a result summary. Now it is the result summary. Up to here we entered. Now it is the result summary, and the result summary first will print the subject name and the respective marks, which will happen in the result of these two line of codes. It's a for loop, so and it will get the values from the subject and marks list or array. So it is the subject name, you can see in the terminal. It is the marks subject's name and the marks against each subject. Now the total marks will be print here, simple mathematical function. It will sum all the marks elements, list elements divided by 500. Similarly, percentage, familiar syntax, and after this grade is calculated. This grade will be from it will get from here. These will any respective letter will be returned. Now it will ask that if you want to do a next calculation, well and good. Otherwise, you can exit. So we are exiting. I hope you will find it better. Thank you.